Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today's video is all about elegance, height and confidence. Yes, I am exploring the trendiest high heels footwear collection for girls. So get ready to step into style and turn head everywhere you go. From casual outing to party nights, from classic designs to bold fashion statement, this collection has something for every girl out there. So sit back, relax, and let the heel magic begin. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. First up, casual high heels for everyday glam. These nude block heels and perfect for brunch dates. Pair them with jeans, dresses, or even office wear. I am strapping heels in pastel shade, cute and comfy, which also make a great big comfort plus height in one. Floral prints and cushioned soles make them perfect for summer. Do not miss these kitten heels, short, sleek, and stylish. Ideal for wedding events or casual hangout. And of course, basic black heels are must have in every girl's wardrobe. These go with literally if everything. Get into party mode. Metallic gold heels, the ultimate party power move. Sparkle with rhinestones, silvered, pure glam. How about red bumps, bold and beautiful? Pointed heels and sharpness to your look. Try these transparent heels, trendy and modern. Platform heels are back in style, big, bold, and comfy. These glass up silhouette are sure to turn heads. Sealing back with shimmer, yes please, and these glitter block heels, perfect for dancing all night. Time for some formal and ethnic vibes. Classic begin pumps for a clean and polished office look. These pointed back heels power dressing at its best. For wedding and functions, go this desi with embroidery heels. Pair them with lehengas or saris or for a royal feels. Kolhapuri heels with the twist, comfy yet chic. These golden ethnic silhouette are just wow. Crystal embellished heel and magic to every ethnic outfit. Pimp toe heels also go well with Indo-Western looks. And do not forget mirror work heels for that festive sparkles, ready to make a bold fashion statement. Animal printed heels or roaring in style. Style is all about experience who you are one step at a time. With the right heels, you are never just walking, you are making a entrance. Confidence start from the ground up literally. Thanks for watching Queens. You deserve to feel fabulous every day. That's a warp on today's stunning high heels collection for girls. If you love these styles, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay updated with the latest fashion trend. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a glam update. Stay confident, stay classy and always walk like you on the runway. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.